Hi. Some of the point of this, the Saturn, the vocational world teacher, and the transpersonal all for one and one for all sign of Aquarius, the virus, and just connecting different dots regarding megachurches still going on and people still congregating, even though the intersection of science and belief or science and religion has never been so politicized, is understanding symbolically we have the rapture, and some people may be choosing to leave based on certain belief systems, regardless of whether or not reason is a part of it. So, this living or moving into the age of Aquarius is understanding a loyalty to truth, a loyalty to what is known. And the let it go is letting go of the need to simply believe. Yeah, I'm hearing gotta have faith, gotta have faith. George Michael, I'm hearing Faith of the Heart from the original, the Star Trek Enterprise, not the original, but the Enterprise came out in the aughts. And just knowing that Saturn tests, he tests all of us, and he tests our ability to show up with authentic individualism. So, subscribe, share. My hashtag is Inner Manifest Destiny. Inner Manifest Destiny, which connects to shelter in place. So, the frontier, you Trekkies, is on the inside. So, stay tuned for more information. Meanwhile, go to Belief is Not Required on Facebook, like comments here, and we'll go from here.